if you want to turn off TalkBack on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, first we need to go to the settings. But if you are not, for example, in the home screen, or if you need to go to the app drawer, then essentially you need to use two fingers in order to do certain action that requires a gesture. So for example, if you don't have buttons at the bottom of the screen, you can use two fingers and swipe from the bottom of the screen like you just do normally with gestures, but you use two fingers instead. There we go. And if you need to go to the next page, you can use two fingers as well, or swipe up in order to go to the app drawer, but remember to use two fingers. So over here we're gonna go to the settings. You scroll also with two fingers, so select settings, tap on it once and then double tap. Then scroll all the way down with two fingers obviously, and select additional settings and then double tap. Then select accessibility and then double tap. And now we need to switch to vision, so tap on vision and then double tap. Tap on TalkBack and double tap. Tap on this switch over here where we have use TalkBack and then double tap. Tap on a turn off and then double tap, and there we go, finally done. So that's pretty much it. And of course, if you use buttons at the bottom of the screen instead, then you can go to the home screen by tapping on the home screen button once and then double tap again, just like with anything else here. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!